sure if you guys know or not, but we, the NYX Face Awards Top 30.
Let's get funky. Let's get funky.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be the unboxing for the top 30 of the NYX Face Awards. So yeah, I just want to jump right in and start opening them. So they did send out 3 boxes. 1 is from Target and 2 are from NYX. So I'm going to open the Target one first, and I'm going to move on to the 2 NYX boxes. So this is the Target one. I'm going to open this one first. So this is the throne. It says Target in honor of earning a spot in the NYX Face Awards Top 30. Please enjoy this special gift from your sponsor, Target. Freaky Target. Up the halo. And a vanilla caramel candle. So now moving on to the NYX box. So the first thing on top is this NYX Face Awards thing, and it says, "Congratulations, Karen Pulido. The creativity, quality, and artistry of your work earned a spot in the NYX Face Awards Top 30. We can't wait to see what you create in the challenge." So there's 5 boxes in here. So I'm just going to jump into this one first. So there's HD foundations in here. There's eyeliners and matte lipsticks and brow contour pencils in here. There's the mineral stick foundations in here, as well as the intense butter glosses and liquid lippies. And then in here, pretty much the same thing, except for there's the liquid suede and the colored mascara. And then in here, there's glitters, blush, and lashes, and an eyeshadow quad, makeup remover wipes, and primer, the liquid illuminator, the primal colors eyeshadow base, and another foundation set. Second one, on the spot makeup brush spray cleaner. There's the ombre blushes and powder foundation in a bunch of different colors. And then there's more of the butter glosses in here, the full throttle lipstick, shadow stick, butter glosses, and macaroon lippies, and wicked lippies. And then the ombre lip duo in this one. And then there's more HD foundation and the liquid illuminator. And then the eye lip makeup remover. So that's it. Now moving on to the third one. The NYX highlight and contour pro palette. I don't have that yet. More lashes, the primal colors, eyeshadow, eyelashes, and colored mascara and colored eyeliner. There's more eyeliners and stick foundations and the wicked lippies in this one. Lashes, finishing powder, concealers, and 2 eyeshadows in this one. There's glitters, another eyeshadow quad, eyelashes, and then more glitters and blushes. And then there's more shadow sticks in here, the lip on NYX lingerie, eye tint, and then there's butter glosses in here too, and then liquid suede lipstick. And then the strobe of Genius illuminating palette. And then more of, these are electro liners, and then vivid brights liners, the liquid liners. Moving on to the 4th box. More of the quad eyeshadows, more glitter eyeshadows, single eyeshadows, and more of the liquid illuminator in here. There's the Pro Foundation mixers and the Hydrotech primer base in here. There's eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base, glitters, 2 colored mascaras, a butter gloss, and a colored correcting powder in there. More glitters, concealer palette, eyelashes, eyebrow pencil, eyebrow gel, and 2 eyeshadows in this one. More of the HD foundations in here, a single eyeshadow, more of the macaroon lippies, another foundation stick, and glitter primer in this one. And then in this one there's eyelashes, another eyeshadow quad, glitter, single eyeshadows, and an eyelash curler, and a sharpener. So, okay, the last box. Ooh. This one has all the powder puffs, the compact powder puffs, the brush set, the brush holder, a mirror, and then a brush. And then loaded pins. And then there's the NYX shirt. This actually matches with this right now. So that was what was in the first NYX box that I opened, and now we're going to move on to the last one. It says, a bundle of goodies handpicked just for you, brought to you by SOOOOO and our sponsors. So the first bag that I see is from Clarisonic, and here is the Alpha Fit Sonic Cleansing Engineering for Men's Skin. And yeah, what was in this box? I mean, this bag. So thank you, Clarisonic. On to the next one. So in here, this bag is from Baxter of California, and in here there's a wet shave starter kit. So in here, a brush, a double-edged safety razor, chrome-plated aftershave balm, and super close shave formula. Oh man, I don't know. Also in the Baxter bag, there's these pomade mixer kits. There's 4 of them. Look like this. And then the last thing in here is deodorant. So that was what was in the Baxter California bag. So thank you, Baxter. So is this just a bag or what? Oh, Audio Network. And this is from the bottom up, so this was from Audio Network. This came out of the Baxter. It's exfoliating body bar. Wait, hold on. That's all out of there. And then this is from the body shop. And here there's cream cleanser. There's moisture cream. There's Aqua Boost Essence Lotion. Aqua Boost Sorbet. Here is the overnight serum and oil, the hour replenish and recharge moisture. Okay. Oh, that's it. It says, congratulations on making the top 30. We hope you enjoy these Baxter of California days. Find us on social. And then Eva NYC. I think it's a one. Oh, it's so nice. Thank you, Eva. I mean, Eva NYC. And the last item here is from, I think, Lola Shoetique. So this one I have to open. And then, oh, okay. This is cute. There's that stuff in here. That's very oh, so that was everything inside the boxes. I want to give a huge thank you to NYX Cosmetics for choosing me for the top 30 again this year. And I want to also thank all the sponsors that are participating in the competition as well. And yeah, on the 20th of this month is when the top 30s videos go live for public viewing, and you get to vote 3 times a day per email. I believe that's how it's going to be again this year. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave it in the description box below once everything is up and running. And I just want to thank everyone for always liking my videos and showing support in the comments. It truly means a lot to me. So if you guys want to stay updated with me, you can follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. That is all Cameron Pulido. And yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say except I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let me see you get wonky.